Ever wondered why chocolate Easter eggs are the sweetheart of Easter celebrations? Well, it's a tale as rich and indulgent as the chocolate itself, dating back to the 19th century. In those early days, the first chocolate Easter eggs were a luxurious treat, a symbol of opulence. They were not the everyday delight we know and love today. Oh no, these were precious gifts crafted with care by master chocolatiers. As the decades rolled on, the popularity of these chocolate delights spread far and wide. From the classic milk chocolate to the exquisite dark chocolate with luscious fillings, the variety of chocolate Easter eggs began to grow. This delightful evolution added a sprinkle of sweetness to Easter traditions, turning the holiday into a celebration of joy, togetherness, and of course, chocolate. Fast forward to the present day, and chocolate Easter eggs have become a cherished symbol of Easter. They embody the spirit of togetherness, joy, and sweet indulgence, making the holiday truly special. But why is chocolate so important to Easter celebrations? Well, aside from being delicious, chocolate Easter eggs represent new life and rebirth, mirroring the themes of the holiday itself. They are not just treats, they are a celebration of the joy and hope that Easter brings. In conclusion, the history of chocolate Easter eggs is a journey through time. From the luxurious indulgence of the 19th century to the delightful accessibility of today, they have remained a cherished symbol of Easter, bringing smiles and sweetness to our celebrations. And so, as we approach this Easter season, remember the magic of chocolate. Savor the sweet memories it creates and the joy it brings. After all, Easter wouldn't be quite the same without the irresistible allure of chocolate. So here's to the timeless charm of chocolate, and may your Easter be filled with delightful moments and the irresistible joy of chocolate treats. Happy Easter, everyone.